Coronavirus. Okay, all the new viruses that we have now that cause epidemics, they're all caused by animals. The thing that our immune system is equipped to actually fight the viruses, but not the animal viruses. That's why when any animal virus gets into the human body, we're unprotected and people will die until the vaccination comes around. Okay, now how this happen? How a virus from animal comes into human being? This is not normal. Usually the animal viruses, they cannot attack the human immune system. But because when you mix two animals together, what happens is the two viruses will get very smart and they produce a new virus or a new protein that they could attack the human body, and that's why we'll be helpless and our immune system cannot fight it because it's a new virus. We're not exposed to it before, like the flu and so on and so forth. And as you see, before it was like the cow disease, cow virus, then bird virus, then pig virus, and now it's snakes. What's going on in the markets of China and all the, let's say, not taking care of health? I mean, countries that actually have epidemic, usually they don't take care of health. So in their market, they have lots of animals and to sell, and human is around. So when the viruses come together and attack humans, that's when the disease will be epidemic. And usually it takes 3 weeks to have the vaccination. And during this weeks, any people that have weak immune system, probably they're gonna pass away. And some people that have very strong immune system, they could actually fight the virus, but it's gonna take at least 2 weeks for them. They're gonna have fever, diarrhea, all of these stuff, but some immune system will be able to fight it. The problem with viruses, they change shape. Like each offspring of the virus bring a different shape. That's why the immune system cannot have the shape that could enclose the virus to kill it. And that's the virus trick. When they get inside the body, they use our DNA to produce their own. And when they do that, usually the offspring will be different shape. And the immune system not fast enough to combine all the shapes so they could fight it. And that's why the virus will spread. And now, the best thing is to avoid crowded areas. That's the best advice. Like I advise people not to get into airplanes, because airplanes are like the air inside is enclosed and it's circulating, and probably if somebody got it on the airplane, everybody will have it at the same time. So just try to stay away from crowded area. So this is one thing. The second thing, try to wear a mask. Third thing, when you get any symptoms, as soon as possible, go to a doctor.